Easy ways to make money online for beginners with affiliate marketing. If you stay to the end of this video, I want to reveal to you 3-step framework of how I make money online for absolutely for free without even paid advertisement. Alright, my name is Evie Jamoni. I teach on skill affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that pays you on a weekly basis. So without wasting much time, this is the 3 easy framework of how you can start to make money online as a beginner in affiliate marketing. Number 1, teach for free. It might seem repetitive or you don't understand it, but this is absolutely the key for you making money as an affiliate marketer as a beginner. You get to teach for free so that you can get testimonial. As if you can see on my screen here, I have up to like 7 affiliate marketing groups I have created, and I have filled it with over 1,000 audience. And I constantly teach them for free. The more I teach them and I show them what I have learned so far, the more they use the strategy I have taught them and it work for them, they will give me their written testimonials. Look at some of the testimonials I've gotten from my students on the screen right now. You will see some of them who have made up to 200,000 naira in less than 3 weeks. They started implementing what I've taught them. Some come to me physical, some come to me online. Okay, you get to join different Facebook groups. When you are in these groups, you can join seller, Digistem, Partner, Stake, or different affiliate marketing platform. You just need to write a simple, intelligent question there. If you are interested to learn affiliate marketing for free, send me a DM. When they send you DM, they come to your WhatsApp, you add them to the group. When you get up to like 100 persons, you start to teach them. What will you teach them? You teach them what you have learned from the course that you have purchased. Some people that will tell you start affiliate marketing for free, I do not advise that. You get to join paid ones so that you get access to their course. All the things you have learned so far, that is what you'll be teaching them. For example, WhatsApp marketing, you teach them copywriting, you teach them sales, closing, priming, Facebook advertisement. You just take it step by step and teach them what you have learned so far. Okay, you need to understand there are people who are below where you are right now. People are eager to get to that place, so do well to teach them what you have learned so far. Okay, that is the number 1 thing I will always advise you to do. Second one is for you to create a simple landing page. You could use system.io or you use card.co. Now in this landing page, all you need to do is for you to impute all the testimonials you have gotten from your prospects. Those that have told you, thank you sir, I've got a lot of results from your class, thank you so much. You just make a screenshot and put a lot of them in that place. Okay, it's very important for you to do so. What will you do in that landing page? You write your own unique proposition, what you can teach your audience. Okay, for instance, I always include my value proposition that I'm gonna teach them, you're gonna mentor them. Okay, how to do so. You teach them all you have acquired. If you know how to do basic graphic design or video editing, you also include it there as a bonus for them. Okay, it's very important for you to create a simple landing page. The last one is for you to make an offer. An offer is what separates you from your audience. An offer is what they cannot get from anywhere. Take for instance, there is this platform called Digistem right now. They are making an offer to their audience. Instead of paying 20,000 naira, pay 14,500 naira for the registration. They will soon launch it. They are also coming out with a kind of incentive they will give you when you hit a particular target. They will give you iPhone and the rest of them trip. Many platforms does that. This is an offer they are making to the affiliate. You can as well create your own offer. You can as well create a mini course that if they join this course, you are going to give them this. For instance, I have an offer called Affiliate Marketing Commander Academy. Anyone that joins affiliate marketing through me, I give them access to that mini course for free. It helps them to show them free organic traffic, how I use it, so that they can do the same. Do you understand? So creating a mini course as a form of offer, you can do anything. It might not be necessarily course. It can be anything that can help your audience, okay, to get result fast. That is an offer for you. So you use this 3 framework. It's gonna help you to make money as easily as possible. Implement these 3 strategies to your marketing, to your business. You're gonna come back and thank me later. Okay, do like, comment, and know, leave in the comment section what you like best about this video. Okay, Evie Jamoni, bye for now, catch you later.